Greetings, MetaMind Mystics. Journey with me now to the edge of human understanding, where ancient wisdom meets the frontiers of consciousness. What if I told you there's an eye hidden within you that sees beyond time and space? An eye that perceives not just the physical world, but the vibrant tapestry of energy and interconnectedness that binds us all. This, my friends, is the third eye. An ancient gateway to higher dimensions, intuition and inner sight. The third eye is not a myth, but a dormant power within each of us. Today we're diving deep into the mystical science of unlocking your third eye and awakening your spiritual vision. Prepare to embark on a journey inwards to the very heart of your being. Deep within the human brain, nestled like a precious gem in the very center, lies the pineal gland. This tiny, pine-cone-shaped structure, often calcified and dormant in adults, is no mere biological anomaly. For centuries, mystics across cultures have whispered of its power, calling it the seat of the soul, the Ajna Chakra, the third eye. But what exactly is this third eye? Is it merely symbolic, or does it hold a tangible key to unlocking higher states of awareness? The ancients believed it to be our connection to the divine, a portal to realms unseen by ordinary sight. And modern science, while still unraveling its mysteries, is beginning to confirm some startling truths. The pineal gland, it turns out, is remarkably sensitive to light. It regulates our sleep-wake cycles, our circadian rhythms, and produces melatonin, the hormone of darkness. But what's even more intriguing is its potential to produce another substance, DMT, dimethyltryptamine, a powerful psychedelic known to induce profound mystical experiences and a sense of oneness with the universe. Could this tiny gland tucked away deep within our skulls be the source of our most profound spiritual experiences? Could it be the biological antenna allowing us to tune into frequencies beyond the material world? The evidence, both ancient and modern, suggests a resounding yes. The third eye is not just a mystical concept. It's a physical reality, waiting to be awakened. And as we'll discover, its activation holds the potential to transform our perception, our intuition, and our very understanding of reality itself. In the relentless noise and demands of modern life, it's easy to become disconnected from our inner compass, our intuition. The third eye, once vibrant and open in our youth, can become obscured, its lens clouded by stress, negativity, and the relentless pursuit of the material world. But how do we know if our third eye is closed? What are the signs that our spiritual vision has become dormant? One of the most common symptoms is a persistent feeling of being ungrounded, disconnected from your inner wisdom. You may find yourself constantly second-guessing your intuition, relying solely on logic and external validation. Do you struggle to visualize, to hold images in your mind's eye? Are your dreams fleeting, difficult to recall upon waking? These too can be indicators of a blocked third eye. The ability to access vivid imagery, both in dreams and waking life, is a hallmark of an active and awakened pineal gland. Another telltale sign is excessive mental chatter, the incessant stream of thoughts that keeps you trapped in the past or worrying about the future. This mental noise acts like static, interfering with the clear reception of your intuition and inner guidance. Perhaps you feel stuck in a rut, creatively blocked, unable to tap into the wellspring of inspiration that lies within. Or you find yourself surrounded by negativity, unable to rise above the drama and chaos of the external world. These too are signs that your third eye needs attention, that your spiritual vision is longing to be awakened. For millennia, mystics and sages have sought to unlock the secrets of the third eye, developing practices and techniques to pierce the veil of illusion and access higher states of consciousness. Today, we stand at a unique intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science, with a wealth of knowledge at our fingertips to awaken our dormant spiritual vision. Meditation, the cornerstone of countless spiritual traditions, offers a direct pathway to activating the third eye. By focusing our attention on the point between the eyebrows, the Ajna Chakra, we stimulate the pineal gland, quieting the mind and cultivating a state of receptive awareness. The sun, giver of life and source of vital energy, also plays a key role in awakening the third eye. Gentle sun gazing at dawn or dusk when the sun's rays are less intense can stimulate pineal activation and enhance our connection to the natural rhythms of the cosmos. Breathwork, or pranayama, is another powerful tool for activating the third eye. Deep, conscious breathing oxygenates the brain, energizes the subtle energy centers, and prepares the body and mind for spiritual awakening. Specific pranayama techniques, such as alternate nostril breathing, can further enhance these effects. Sound and frequency also hold remarkable power over our consciousness. The pineal gland is particularly responsive to certain frequencies, with 963 Hz and the ancient sound of Om, known to resonate deeply with this mystical gland, inducing states of deep meditation and expanded awareness. Our physical bodies are temples, and what we consume directly impacts our spiritual awakening. A clean diet, rich in organic fruits and vegetables, supports pineal health. Avoiding fluoride and heavy metals, known to calcify the pineal gland, is crucial. Finally, crystals and visualization can be powerful allies in our journey to open the third eye. Amethyst, with its calming energy and connection to higher realms, is a potent stone for enhancing intuition and spiritual vision. Lapis lazuli, the stone of truth and wisdom, can assist in accessing inner guidance and connecting with higher consciousness. Visualizations such as the violet flame meditation can be profoundly transformative. Imagine a vibrant violet flame dissolving blockages in your third eye, clearing away negativity and opening your vision to higher realms. The journey to awaken the third eye is a deeply personal and transformative one. There's no single destination, but rather a continuous unfolding of awareness, a gradual awakening to the interconnectedness of all things. As your third eye begins to open, you may experience a heightened sense of intuition, a knowingness that transcends logic and reason. Your dreams may become more vivid, more symbolic, offering glimpses into the hidden workings of your subconscious mind. You may even begin to recall past lives or access other dimensions in your dream state. Synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences that seem to defy explanation, may increase, guiding you towards your true path and purpose. The world around you may appear more vibrant, more alive. Colors may seem brighter, sounds more crisp. You may start to perceive the subtle energy fields that surround all living beings, the aura that reflects our thoughts, emotions, and spiritual essence. As your third eye opens further, you may experience a profound sense of peace, a deep knowing that you are not separate from the universe but an integral part of its intricate tapestry. Fear and anxiety may begin to melt away, replaced by a sense of wonder and awe at the mystery and beauty of existence. The third eye is not just about seeing visions or accessing psychic abilities, it's about seeing through the illusions of the material world, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, and awakening to the divine spark that resides within us all. It's about experiencing reality with greater clarity, compassion, and understanding. As your inner vision expands, you may find yourself drawn to new spiritual practices, new ways of connecting with the divine. You may feel a deeper connection to nature, to animals, to the cosmos itself. Your intuition will guide you, leading you towards experiences and relationships that align with your soul's purpose. The third eye is not just a chakra, it's a cosmic doorway, a lens through which we can perceive the infinite possibilities of consciousness. Activating it is not about escaping this world, but seeing it more clearly, experiencing it with greater depth, compassion, and understanding. As we awaken our third eye, we begin to remember our true nature, our connection to the divine source from which we all emanate. We tap into a wellspring of wisdom, creativity, and love that resides within each of us. May your inner vision awaken and your soul remember its true sight. If this spoke to your spirit, like this video, leave your reflections in the comments and subscribe to Journey Deeper with us. And as always, stay peaceful. See you next time.